Hi guys, it's Youcook here. I'm Allison. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's recipe is pumpkin and black sesame seeds fried rice. This recipe will take you to a different level. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you can be notified with new videos coming out. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead and get this recipe going. First, we're going to need 4 mini sweet peppers. Then 1/2 cup of bird's eye frozen onion, 2/3 cups of frozen corn, or if you have fresh one, that's even better, and 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce, 3 cloves of garlic and 3 cups of leftover rice, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, garlic, pumpkin seeds. Stir fry until it gives you a nice fragrance of garlic combined with pumpkin seeds. When pumpkin seeds turn lightly brown, just like that, add in sweet chilies, or if you use bell pepper, add in chopped bell peppers. Add corn, stir fry, add bird's eye onion, continue to stir fry, add in leftover rice, black sesame seeds, salt and sugar, soy sauce, stir fry and try. If it's not salty, add some more salt. If it's good enough, then your fried rice is ready. Bird's eye frozen onion adds a nice flavor. Remove it to garnish later. Sprinkle ground black pepper, and there you have a vegetarian fried rice. Simple but delicious. You can try making it yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye now.